माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू केमिस्ट्री क्लास। आज हम लोग डिप्रेशन ऑफ फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट स्टडी करने वाले हैं। इट इज आल्सो नोन एज क्रायोस्कोपी। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, you know freezing point of a substance is the temperature at which solid and liquid phases of the substance coexist. Freezing point of a pure liquid is fixed, but if a non-volatile solute is dissolved in the pure liquid, then lowering of freezing point occurs. The freezing point of pure solvent is greater than the freezing point of solution containing non-volatile solute. Now, we will draw a graph between vapor pressure and freezing point temperature. Let us see. Depression of freezing point. Depression of freezing point. It is also known as क्रायोस्कोपी। इसको क्रायोस्कोपी भी कहा जाता है। और ये थर्ड कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी है, तीसरा कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी। हमें 4 कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी स्टडी करना था, उसमें से ये तीसरा नंबर कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी है। नाउ वी विल ड्रॉ अ ग्राफ बिटवीन freezing point temperature and vapor pressure. Frozen liquid. लिक्विड सॉल्वेंट का फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट T0F एज्यूम करते हैं एंड TF इज द फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट टेम्परेचर ऑफ सॉल्यूशन। फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ सॉल्यूशन, फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्योर लिक्विड, फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ प्योर लिक्विड। प्योर लिक्विड मीन्स व्हाट? सॉल्वेंट। सॉल्वेंट का ये फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट है T0F, जो हमेशा सॉल्वेंट का फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट बड़ा होता है इससे। एंड और इधर इस टेम्परेचर को दिखाया गया है टेम्परेचर इन केल्विन। टेम्परेचर इन केल्विन इज shown here in increasing order. So you know del TF, this is known as depression in freezing point, is the difference of freezing point of T0F and TF. So now you have well understood depression of freezing point is the difference of freezing point of pure solvent and freezing point of solution containing non-volatile solute. ये solution का है freezing point और ये freezing point temperature, F means freezing, T means temperature, freezing point temperature of pure liquid. Pure liquid means solvent. Solvent का ये freezing point है। Now we will see the calculation of depression of freezing point. I hope you have well understood this graph. This is the freezing point temperature and the difference of freezing point is that is delta TF. This is delta TF. And here is the solution and here is the pure liquid solvent. So let us see. Now we know delta TF is directly proportional to molality, or delta TF is equal to Kf into M, where M is equal to molality, Kf is equal to molal depression constant, molar depression constant. M is the molality of solution. Delta TF is the depression in freezing point. Depression in freezing point, that is depression in freezing point. Now we can write Kf into m की जगह लिख सकते हैं हम लोग number of moles by weight of solvent in kg. We can easily write. So similar to elevation in boiling point, Kf into Nb को लिख सकते हैं Wb by Mb, because it is number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute निकालने का फॉर्मूला होता है weight by mass. So weight of solute by mass of solute into weight of solvent in kg. So we can determine molar mass of solute from this equation. So this is the delta TF. Therefore Mb, molar mass of solute, is equal to Kf into Wb by delta TF into W